There are a lot of people who don't drink for a lot of different reasons. And many people actually hide the fact that they don't drink. I think of Watermark as a social club first, more than I do actually a bar. You can come into this environment and get a beautifully made Manhattan, or you can come in here and get something that has no alcohol at all, and everyone is treated the same. We, for the most part, squeeze all of our juice fresh on a daily basis. We make all of our mixes, we make all of our syrups. So it's a culinary approach to the cocktail. On our opening menu in 2008, I had low and no alcohol drinks. We sold very, very few low and no alcohol drinks in the beginning. And then over COVID, everything changed. COVID was really what I see as breaking the non-alcoholic movement open. I saw a lot of people in my life and was reading a lot of stories about people changing their relationship to alcohol over COVID. That isolation and that experience really brought a lot of people's stuff up around alcohol and their habits. And that's when things shifted for me here professionally and made me really want to double down and bring something to the market that I thought was going to resonate. We have retired the word mocktail here. What has come out of the non-alcoholic cocktail movement over the past couple of years seems to be in two different categories. So you'll have your alcohol-free cocktails using syrups and teas and tonics and fresh ingredients to make a non-alcoholic drink. You also have what is now called zero-proof cocktails. So we actually have two categories in our cocktail menu. Zero-proof cocktails are using a spirit alternative. Spirit alternatives are mass-produced products now that are trying to recreate a spirit in flavor, in mouthfeel. Those, in recovery that don't want to have a faux spirit experience would probably stay in the alcohol-free. The zero-proof market is still emerging right now. Where it was 2 years ago, it's leaps and bounds now. You can really get some wonderful product. So we threw our first alcohol-restricted non-alcohol night this past January on a Wednesday night, random Wednesday night. And we had over 350 people show up for that. And we were really, really blown away. We knew that we were onto something. The makeup of the clientele was everything you could imagine. There were a lot of people that were in recovery, a lot of people in the fitness world, a lot of yoga instructors, and people that really want to take care of their body and understand that alcohol really acts like a poison in the body. So they just don't drink for health reasons. A lot of people here that do drink, but they were very intrigued about being in a bar without drunk people. There's a lot of people, especially a lot of young single girls, that enjoy a glass of wine with dinner or enjoy a cocktail, but don't enjoy being in a bar because of what's going on. I have many customers in here that will enjoy a margarita, and then after that they move to the non-alcoholic menu because they're driving, or they've had enough, or they're on a date. I'm trying to give people alternatives so they can make a decision at the table. Maybe one person wants to have a drink, maybe one person doesn't. I'm trying to normalize that.